All our machines are built to last and will keep you cleaning longer with our 2-year warranty on body and motor and 1-year warranty for batteries and charger. Our commercial design products are built to be functional, durable, and long-lasting. With simple maintenance requirements being met, you will have a highly reliable vacuum for many years to come. To ensure you are always fully supported when you purchase one of our machines, we have service agents conveniently located across the world, offering the highest level of support and advice to our global customers. The unique body-molded frame and adjustable harness have been ergonomically designed to maximize comfort and, most importantly, promote the correct posture for the user. As one of the lightest commercial backpack vacuums on the market, our products give the user complete freedom and flexibility to move around and complete any task quickly and efficiently. All Pacvac backpacks provide optimal indoor air quality using 4-stage filtration technology and provide options for both reusable and disposable filter bags. Each level of filtration captures and retains more and more dust and dirt, down to the very fine particles which are caught by the pre-motor cartridge filter and the exhaust filter. The 4 stages of filtration ensure high levels of allergens and dust particles are contained within your vacuum cleaner and the air dispersed is clean. Pacvac vacuums are designed to provide low sound output, ensuring comfortable levels and minimizing noise pollution.